Hello, well done, you guys. Ascension is in full swing. There is no stopping it now. It is on this bullet train. The trajectory is just zoom, zoom, zoom. We have unlocked the cosmic light codes, and that means because it's been unlocked, there's no stopping us now. It may seem sometimes when you listen to certain people that um, there is a lot of dark energy, but seriously, this ascension is just, it is unstoppable now. And the dark energy was trying to stop it for a long time, and that's okay because this is the fun little game that we were playing of illusion and opposites and dense, thick dark energy. And now we have broken through that bandwidth of frequency and the light codes, the cosmic codes. So there's galactic codes, cosmic codes, planetary codes, universal codes, angelic codes, higher light codes. There's so many codes coming in. So the light codes, if you haven't seen them, sometimes things can look, when you're looking at everything, it can look a bit pixelated. And if you zoom in on the little pixels, they can look like light codes, codes of light. So they can look like geometric patterns, geometric shapes, like a kaleidoscope. So there's, like hexagons. There's triangles. There's just so many different patterns, and they're like a code, and it is a high frequency code that what it does, it's awakening and unlocks your memory. It unlocks memories of things that you've forgotten, wisdom, clarity that you already knew. It levels you up to a phase and stage of where you haven't been before. So yes, there's so many light codes of information from every realm. Every realm is coming in, and it's like a merging of the realms. They were already here, but what was happening, say like visualize a spacecraft or something, and the spacecraft would just go straight through our dimension, straight through our realm, like straight through us, like a ghost or something would go straight through us, because we are on like a different frequency, like a lower frequency, that they didn't even really see us and we couldn't see them. And so everything's here and now, but it was on a different frequency, a different dimensional space, a different realm. So everything's kind of was crossing over, and like they would be invisible to us and we would be invisible to a lot of them. They wouldn't even realize we were here. So, but now as our frequencies rise, the invisible is becoming visible. So we're going to be seeing more stuff that was already here all along. So as our frequency gets to certain frequencies where those other beings, individuals are, then we're going to start to see them. So super exciting. I think it's super exciting. It depends if you really enjoy the weird and the wacky. There's a lot of people have been on certain frequencies, and they've been able to tune in and see other beings. They see, like, some higher beings can look like ghosts as well, because they're oscillating at a really fast frequency, so they kind of look a bit blurry, like a ghost. And then other ghosts can be like just an old residual energy, like some lingering energy that has been kind of left behind. So it's not really a real soul, it's just lingering old energy, which you can just release that back to the light. But yeah, so years ago we would have looked, if we go back to the 1800s, compared to us now, 1800s would see us as ghost looking beings, because we'd be almost invisible, because we are oscillating on a higher frequency. We're vibrating on a higher frequency. So we're like the hummingbird's wings. We're going faster now. So yeah, super exciting. It is all getting very interesting. So I know that for the human brain, it can be overwhelming, because when you're taught certain things, we're taught at school something completely different, and then you're taught that this stuff is not real, or it's your imagination, or it's dark energy, or it's negative, or you get taught so many things. But just don't worry about it. Just have fun with it. And as frequencies rise, we will be seeing more cosmic energy, more galactic energy, more from the angelic realms, which, you could still say that is, angelics can be like galactics, but angelics are they're more settled within their frequency planet type thing. They're not out cruising around the galaxy like the Galactic Federation of Light, the Guardians of the Galaxy, higher beings like the angelics are more on a they're not as cosmic, because they're not flying around in crafts, or but then when you get to the higher beings, they don't need crafts, because it's like they're a genie and they just blink and they're wherever they want to be. Yep. It's gonna get weirder and wackier. So yeah, hang in there, and just have fun with everything that's about to transpire and that's going to happen. Don't be scared. Get rid of your fear. You are an eternal soul, and you're so loved by the universe, and nothing can harm the soul. It's only the human that's been taught to be scared and live in fear. So it's time to break free of our shackles. We are raising the dimensional frequencies, where dimensions and realms are coming back together as one again. This is part of the cycle of this game. So yeah, just enjoy it, have fun with it. Like as the higher self is just going, woohoo, this is so freaking awesome. It's so amazing. So keep going, keep enjoying, and I will talk to you guys soon. Yeah, I know it's a lot of work even speaking, isn't it, these days? Like getting out of bed. If you got out of bed, good job. If you didn't, just rest, okay? Just doing the simple things can be a challenge, can't it? But hang in there. I've got you. You've got me. We've all got each other. We are in it. We've got this. Okay, love you guys. You're the oneness of the universe, and you're strong, powerful, and amazing. All right, love you. Talk soon. Bye.